Hey, what's up guys? This is ADG here. Welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing my editing workflow for Instagram. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. So hello guys, good to see your smiling faces back. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the photo I shot on Darjeeling, I guess. So first I will apply my preset. So here is my preset. So I'm working on my presets, but once they're done, they will be out soon, so that you guys can also use it. So let's jump. So I will apply this one. So you can already see the picture looks so good. So I will just make some general tweaks in it, like I will crop it according to Instagram. This looks fine. And I will just I'll go to transforms and just set the level. This is the quick way to level your photos according to the vertical or horizontal objects, just like that. So now I will tweak the filters. So first the graduated filter. This filter is applicable only for the part above this area, means the sky, the cloudy part, this reddish region. So this looks fine, kind of. This looks fine. I will just bring up the haze a bit. Wait, it's already on 40, so just to bring back those skies and the cloud. A little bit up, and this one is to give the little fade effect to the sky. So in this image, I'm trying to bring a little bit moody and that kind of an effect. So this one will visual that, and this one is to just darken the part below and just highlight this region. So that's it. It's too dark, I guess, so I will bring up the shadows here, and 35 looks fine, so that's it. And now I will go for the radial filters. So there are already some filters. Again, I want to fade this region, so this looks fine. I will just again bring up the shadows a little bit. 35 looks fine again, and this one to just again fade the sky a little bit. This also looks fine, and this one, the important one, is to really highlight the cityscape. So I will just highlight and clarify. I suggest cityscape. So that's it. A little bit big. That's it. I'm done almost. Just bring up the shadows a little bit. That's it. Looks fine. Hit done. Let's just check again. Wow. This looks fine. This looks fine. Good. I will just add another radial filter here because this looks a little bit blown out. So again, hit new, and just hit invert. And now we'll bring down the exposure and bring up the dehaze a little bit. So that's it. And we want to add another radial filter for this region here. Yes, again go to hit invert and just bring up the dehaze and usually bring down the exposure. This looks fine. So that's it, and this one is the adjustment brush. This clouds look a little bit washed out, so I want to bring them also into the picture. So just paint this portion, just tweak them a little bit, bring down the exposure a little bit, and bring up the dehaze. So that's it, the picture is already looking good. So right now, I will just export it in Photoshop.
2,000 years later.
So once you've opened the picture in Photoshop, so I will just duplicate the background layer and I will just apply that dreamy look filter. So if you haven't checked the video, check out my latest video in the cards up somewhere here. The picture looks a lot more dreamier and kind of moody landscape type image. So but I lost a lot of clarity, as you can see. If I turn on the layer, you can see I lost a lot of clarity. So let's bring him back again. So for now, just turn off this layer, go to background layer, hit Ctrl plus J to again duplicate it. So go to filters, other, run a high pass, and just the radius is set to pixel. You can set it according to your picture. So hit OK and just change the blend mode to overlay. Just see what happened. So you can see the sharpness. It came back to the image again, and just again, and it's fine. So the image is cooked up. Just one thing, I need to add my watermark. Here it is. That's it. Just size it up. Hit Ctrl plus I to invert it to Y. As you can see, it's done. So one thing, just lower down the opacity to around 65% of the watermark. So for those who are using watermark, this is a little bit info that always bring down the opacity so that the main highlight of the eyes goes towards the image, not towards your watermark, and always shorten it down in some areas of the photos. This is the final image. I hope you like this quick mind. So comment down below what video do you guys next, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe as always. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and just wish that this pandemic goes out soon and the vaccine comes out so that we can all go out again and enjoy our lives.